If you want to find Game Turbo on Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G, the first thing that you need to do is find the security app, which should be pre-installed on your smartphone. You should be able to find it in the home screen or in the app drawer. Once you go to the security app, you need to scroll down just a little bit, and here you will find common features. You might be able to find Game Turbo over here. If not, then scroll all the way down and then swipe up in order to open the toolbox, and then in Tools you should be able to find Game Turbo. You can tap on it in order to turn it on. And there we go. This is how it looks like. In addition to that, of course, we can go to the settings in order to customize the Game Turbo a little bit. You can also add the games over here if a game was not detected, so you have this plus button here. And if you want to exit, simply tap on the exit icon in the top right corner. You might need to tap twice in order to exit it. And that is it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!